Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. I'm going to show you guys how I got this look today. So I hope you guys stay tuned, keep watching. So first I'm just doing my little shaping. I love the moon look, so of course all of my sets have the moon look unless you request me not to do it. And I know you guys have been waiting for a video, so here it is. It's really hard for me to stay in frame no matter if I have the equipment or not. It's just that I always have to have my nose in my face to see what I'm doing. So it's kind of hard for me to stay in frame, but I'm going to keep on going, keep on doing it for y'all, for me too. This is just me going in, making sure everything is nice and sharp, because that's how my sets have to be. And this was a nightmare. It's like every time I'm recording, my acrylic doesn't want to act right. It's always something. So the acrylic ended up drying really fast. So I was just like, forget it. I'll do another video on application. So this video was really just how to get the jean design for your nails. Now I'm just going under the nail with the file after the acrylic again, just to make sure the shape is shaping. So after the filing, I went in with some alcohol and rinsed off my nails, and then I polished with the color Midnight from D&D. I cured for 60 seconds and then I went in with another coat. So on the next clip, you'll see that it's like a really dark blue. It's just because I went over twice. And when you're polishing, sometimes make sure you're getting the sides. Make sure you're getting the sides. Some people might feel like it's taking away from the shape, but you can always wipe the sides down just so you don't have that straggly look. So I put some white on a color plate and I just kind of freestyled with it. Dipped a little white in the blue and just kind of made it really streaky because I feel like the streakiness gives it the jean look. So I kind of freestyle and figure out how I want it, but it's just me dipping my brush into the white. And these are my results. I forgot to record when I was airbrushing. I airbrushed a baby blue in the middle, so that's why it has that effect. And then I went over it with some top coat. If you guys want me to do another video, a better one, I will, just for you guys. And I'm just gonna keep trying to upload. I wanna upload daily. If not daily, at least twice a week. So if you guys ever see something that I'm uploading on my shorts, just let me know. And I'll be glad to do the same for you guys. I'm just applying some little charms that you guys seen with some gel that I bought from Amazon. Let me know if you guys want the link to that as well. And after I cured that was it. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.